How to get a business loan even when you think there's no way you can qualify. Conventional banks have strict qualification requirements. They are not a good place to look for startup loans or if you have poor personal credit. Usually, they want 2 to 3 years of tax returns before they will lend you any money. If you're lucky, you might get a single credit card. Over 89% of business applications are denied by the big banks. What do lenders want to see? Lenders generally want to know you have enough assets, sufficient financial reserves, and enough personal collateral to ride out business fluctuations. How do loan applicants demonstrate this? Borrowers must show solid cash flow, sufficient to repay the loan, a track record of profitability, and success in a similar business endeavor. Essentially, this is to prove creditworthiness. Cash flow financing is a possibility. They often want you in business for at least a year. They want to see over $10,000 in monthly deposits. They will work with borrowers with poor credit. Essentially, you are using your business's cash flow like collateral. Square and PayPal both offer loans with no personal credit check. This is an option when a startup is just starting to become profitable. Both options depend on sales. Square offers loans for $500 to $100,000. Eligibility depends on sales history with Square. See squareup.com/capital. PayPal offers a maximum loan amount of up to 30% of annual PayPal sales. A business can get $5,000 to $500,000, but must have 9 months' time in business. See paypal.com. Unsecured business financing is another way to go. Get 5 to 8 times the amount of your highest credit limit. Rate is 0%. Get up to $50,000. No collateral is necessary. Hence the term unsecured. Business credit is a terrific solution. This is credit linked to your EIN, not your social security number. This credit is available without a personal guarantee. It's available regardless of personal credit. You can get business credit immediately, even as a startup. Building business credit helps throughout the life of a business. You don't have to depend on lenders, and if you still want a loan, business credit will get you better rates and terms. Let's recap. Conventional banks and loans are a problem, and so are private investors. Instead, get creative with collateral. This includes cash flow financing, or try the SBA for some forms of loans, as these are often for startups. Try Square and PayPal, or unsecured business financing, and build business credit, and then you'll never have to depend on lenders again. Contact us today to learn more about how to get a business loan even when you think there's no way you can qualify.